man, it's so nice out today. It's like -2. Compared to what it has been, -22, it's downright balmy. Just going for a walk, collecting some sticks. I'm gonna show you why in a second. So, got 12 subscribers now. That's freaking awesome. That's better than 1 or 2, and some of them I don't even know, which is really exciting because it just means random strangers have watched my videos and like what they've seen. So thanks. I have definitely realized that. So I just want to say thank you to those 12, each and every one of you. And it's a beautiful February day. We're in February now. And it's about time we get some mild temperatures. I can get outside and do things without the wind kind of biting at my skin. But it has been a busy start to the year. In other news, I'm having some camera trouble. I should let you guys know that my waterproof housing on the action camera, this one, is it snapped when I went snowshoeing. So the waterproof housing is kind of questionable. Do I use it? Do I dunk the camera with a broken housing? I don't know. As for my other camera, my point and shoot, the microphone is screwed up. The camera's probably 5 or 6 years old. It's been beat down a bit, but you know, it still works great. You know, both my cameras shoot 1080, but yeah, the microphone's screwed up. So nothing worse than bad audio, you know. So I've been looking at new ones, but the ones I'm looking at are like $500 or $600, and I can't commit to that price yet, you know. I don't get out enough to make it worth it, not yet, but it's something for the future. So I'm sorry if the quality sucks. I know it sucks compared to most people, but this is just kind of like a fun hobby for me when I have time. So there's that. Yeah, it's nice out though. I'm gonna show you why I gathered all these sticks. And I'll probably look like a weirdo with a camera and a bunch of sticks. There's a reason why I gathered all these sticks. So, I'm going to show you that right now. Oh, just sitting in the backyard, enjoying my new twig stove, trying a new beerski. Meanwhile, down in Moxie. Yeah. Oh, it's getting smoked out. Twig stove's doing awesome, even with the wind. Here we go, new beerski. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yeah, it's exactly what I thought it would be. 6.5% alcohol. As you can see, I'm not in the wilderness. That doesn't really matter. So as I sit here enjoying my smoky twig stove, I'm going to take this opportunity to say thank you to all those 12 subscribers I got. I didn't forget about all y'all, so thanks, subscribers. What else? My camera situation. Yo, this is a good beer. I was looking at getting new cameras and seeing what was out there and kind of what I wanted for the next step. And the next step is like $500 or $600 or more. So I can't do that right now. I can't upgrade. This is just a hobby, and I'm not ready to spend $100 or $1,000 on gear. Camping gear, yes. I just bought a new sleeping bag, and I can show you that. But yeah, the filming part of it is kind of just the fun extra. It's the gravy on top, and I love it. But $1,000 is pretty steep. I love hops. $1,000 is pretty steep. I'd rather spend $1,000 on good camping gear that's gonna keep me like safe and warm. You know, I hope my videos aren't too crappy, and for those 12 subscribers, they're sticking through the hard times. I'm still shooting 1080, so that's good. Anyway, that's my camera update. Oh, this is a fine beer. This is a fine beer. Meanwhile, down in Maxie, you know what it's like? It's like I don't know. The hops are like, they're not Citra hops, but they do have that citrusy bitterness. It's unoffensive to the palate. It's not bitter. Aftertaste is like, you know, it's not bad. The aftertaste. I mean, I'm not one to complain about aftertaste anyway. I don't care if the beer stays in my mouth for 2 hours after. I love the taste of beer. Yeah! Got some good flames. I'm just gonna sit by the fire and enjoy my brewski on this lovely February day. It's balmy. It's nice. It's like -2. So yeah. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you when I see you. 12 subscribers now. Yeah. 12 subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you. Thank you. I'll try not to make boring videos.